On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Jacket. Jacket. It's a jacket. He's wearing a jacket. She's wearing a jacket. Scarf. Scarf. It's a scarf. She's wearing a scarf. He's wearing a scarf. T-shirt. T-shirt. It's a t-shirt. It's a green t-shirt. What's he wearing? He's wearing a t-shirt. What's she wearing? She's wearing a t-shirt. Skirt. Skirt. It's a skirt. It's an orange skirt. She's wearing an orange skirt. She's wearing a skirt. Hat. Hat. It's a hat. He's wearing a hat. She's wearing a hat. Dress. Dress. It's a red dress. She's wearing a dress. She's wearing a blue dress. Now it's your turn. What's he wearing? What's she wearing? Comment the answer below. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.